So we got our special guest here, Mike. Real happy that you're here. And can you tell us a little bit about what we did for you?
I had no dentures, no teeth for years, and I got them pulled through University of Michigan.
Yep.
Had
Go blue.
Right. Had poison in my blood from a tooth infection.
Yeah.
Got no dentures. Dealt with it for a long time. It messed with me a lot,
And
psychologically,
yourself.
physically.
Yeah.
Yes, including work. I was luckily able to still do good, but I knew it was holding me back.
Yeah.
Chewing food was a nightmare. So I came and seen you guys in 2022 off the first recommendation I got.
Yeah.
Talked with you guys, talked with a couple other people, then joined a bunch of chats on Facebook.
Yep.
People from different states.
Yeah, all across the country.
So people were telling me go to Egypt, go to Turkey, go to everywhere, but everything that was realistic sent me back to you guys.
That's awesome.
So then that sent me into the research.
Yeah.
Your guys' Google rating is a 4.9, which is almost
perfect.
Unheard of.
Yeah.
If you see mid-4s is great. So, I came here.
Year and a half ago, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was a year when I came here.
Right.
It was over a year when I came back to actually get it done.
Yeah.
And I made sure I wanted to be absolutely perfect because I was scared.
Yeah.
And procrastinating at the same time.
So you know what I tell patients, if one of us has to be scared, it's much better that it's you than me.
Yes, definitely. So my main worry was, I'm going to have these big teeth that are
unnatural.
Yeah, when they first came here, they asked me, "Are you excited?"
Yeah.
And my honest answer was, "No, I'm nervous."
Right.
I didn't have no excitement. Afterwards, I was about to cry. I honestly was about to cry because it changed everything.
That's why we have Kleenex in all the rooms.
And everybody, everybody that's seen it is
it's
amazed.
amazing.
My family, everybody.
Yeah, one of the best decisions you probably ever made.
Oh, without a doubt.
And the thing that is incredible is, like we were talking about the technology that we use. No stitches. There's Kleenex if you want. It's okay. No stitches, no incisions per jaw. The surgery is like 15 minutes instead of hours.
It was unbelievable how quick it was. I was expecting to have to recover, and literally you guys told me to come. It was my fault I wasn't there the next day. And we waited Labor Day weekend, so the only reason it was 4 days was my fault. And everything's been so quick that I was literally thrilled with the first set.
Yeah.
And we're talking the second set, and then when the final set.
Yeah.
And he's telling me it's gonna
even be better.
Even better. I can't even imagine. So I'm so excited about what's coming.
Well, we're really humbled. I mean, it's unbelievable what we get to do on a daily basis.
It is.
So if there's someone out there thinking, man, I need my mouth taken care of, and they're just worried about who to go to and whether they're traveling out of state or in state, what would you tell them to do?
100%, without a doubt, go to Smoler Smiles. 100%. That's my personal opinion, but that it's been.
Well, what do you know? You've only suffered with dentures for how many years?
No dentures.
Oh, they didn't make you.
Dentures. No, I didn't. The dentures that they put in there were so big and bulky that I didn't. It made it look worse because I have such a small mouth that no teeth looked better than them dentures they had, and I just adapted without it for a long time.
Wow. You know
what? I began to eat regular food. Like there was only certain things I couldn't eat.
Yeah.
But I wasn't chewing.
Weren't digesting.
I wasn't chewing. There was a lot of things that were leading me down this road, and I'm younger, so I did not want to take teeth out of my mouth. I didn't want to do, that kind of thing. So it was either this or it was nothing.
Yeah.
And, I spent a long time looking into every aspect, every chat room, everywhere before I came here. So I didn't come here by accident.
Oh, Mike, thank you so much.
No, thank you so much.
Great.